Isang congressman, si Congressman I forgot the name of this congressman. Pinipin down po niya ang president para sa isang affidavit na pinirma ni Garma na wala naman pong hawak ang ating presidente, former President Duterte. Dito po, I think Congressman...
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Congressman Raj. Mr. President, I will rephrase just to reiterate the context. This is not to confront you with the affidavit, but we want to reconfirm your statement with your interview with Attorney Panelo. Because, just for your information, Mr. President, we understand you do not have the affidavit now. But one of the bits and pieces that was relayed by Colonel Garma is that you contacted her looking for a person with a particular skill set and religious affiliation to help you manage and drive your drug war. Now, that fact...
Yan po yung tanong ng congressman na ito laban sa ating Pangulo. Nireplace na po niya yung question at binalik na po niya sa tinindits ni Attorney Panelo.
Your corroboration in that interview, does that not jive with what Colonel Garma is saying?
Ito na po ang sagot ng ating presidente.
It does not jive because I was looking for a particular person. Maybe a member of a sect, but it had to be one who has a brain, the ball to do the job.
So, Mr. President, if you were looking for a person to fill that position, what position did you have in mind? Was this your drug war czar?
No. May drug enforcement unit tayo siguro. No?
So yan po, pinipilit nila na
They were there to just
ang Pangulo ay bumuo ng isang grupo na mangunguna para umatay para sa drug war. So ginigit po na ating Pangulo na wala siyang ginawa na ganong grupo. At napaka bobo naman po niya kung pangunahan niya ang agency ng PNP na so ayan po ang patuloy na sagutan ni I think Congressman Enriquez.
For someone with the smarts and the balls, sorry for the language, you were looking for someone of that capacity. Now, according to Colonel Garma, you were looking for that person to manage your drug war. But you are saying now that it is not to manage your drug war because you couldn't create that position.
Yes, it's a statement. Do not bind me with your statement.
No, I'm now asking
Yes.
the President about your statement. Why were you looking for someone with the brains and the capacity? Ano po yung job na...
Pinipilit po ng congressman na ito na ang Pangulo, ang Pangulo
Alam mo, that is why we are not succeeding because drug money is supporting the syndicate. Madali ang pera.
So, sinasabi po ito ng ating Pangulo, dating Pangulo, na hindi po tayo nagsasucceed dahil maraming pera po ang drugs, mga drug lord. At kaya niya magsuporta ng sindikato, siyempre ng mga politician din po.
Hindi na yung magulihan natin kung sino ang guilty, kung sino ano. Nandito na tayo sa totoo. Huwag na tayo maglayo dyan sa totoo.
So, Mr. President, you are confirming
So,
that you
ayun
are
na po.
looking for someone to fill the shoes of a position related to the drug war.
Pinipilit po talaga ni
Because you're talking about
Congressman
drug money
na
and
ang
corrupt speed.
Pangulo ay mayroong
So,
That is why sinabi
binuo
ko, Iglesia ni Cristo.
na isang lugar, isang grupo
Iglesia ni Cristo,
para sa papatay. Ang sinasabi ng Pangulo ay ang Iglesia ni Cristo ay hindi nakukurap.
you cannot easily corrupt a member of the
Yes.
Iglesia ni Cristo who is a policeman.